So where should DevRel belong? Product, marketing, or somewhere else?
Um, it depends. Uh, it all has to do with the, where, what stage the company is in. If they are in, early stage trying to build things, then, let's, uh, you know, it might be better to be in the product organization. But if they've moved past the, let's stop. You now have a product, then they're better set in the marketing organization because that's closest to those that are, where the message is being spread. They can have the most impact on that. Sometimes it means that they might be, I've seen it in some engineering orgs. It kind of depends on, again, what the company is, what stage they are, how big they are, what's the goals, what does the company need, like all of that kind of fits into it. So I don't think it's a cut and dry like it should belong in one specific space. Um, I think anyone that says it shouldn't be in X space, other than it shouldn't be in finance, it shouldn't be in HR. Like those are obvious. It shouldn't be in sales. Like those are obvious ones you can say it shouldn't be. But anyone that says it shouldn't be in any of the other ones, I think they really are missing the point of what DevRel really is supposed to be. And it should be something that works with all the different areas of the company. Uh, and so it it's going to depend on what the company's trying to do and what the goal is. And that's something the DevRel leadership should also be very much attuned to, and understanding what are the needs and requirements and help guide to where it should reside in the company.